Please show me your planning.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we have summer league, and we had to. It was. We're only out there. Well, we're out there 4 days. With the 16th, we're gonna be with our friends, potentially. So that's not a summer league day. So we only really had 3 days, and we only want to go 2. But I like summer league because you could pay dirt cheap prices, $64, and you get all of these games. It's not like per game, so it's a bang for your buck. And you get this. Now this draft is very important because this is the most. I feel like this is the draft since like LeBron's draft or Kobe's draft or MJ's draft, where they're gonna literally be your stars of tomorrow, right? Like your superstars of the league, like how we know LeBron and Curry. Well, Curry wasn't really like that one, but we know LeBron, Carmelo Anthony, we knew Dwayne Wade, we knew all those people. I feel like this draft, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, that kid I saw in Vegas. Oh, he's a star now. I keep seeing him on the TV, stuff like that. So I was like, man, which day should we go to? So I just circled the marquee games. First, you have to know this is on Prime Video, this is on ESPN. Okay, so on this day that we're not going, we can still watch these games. But, and then the Pavilion and Thomas and Mack. But I heard they were both next to each other, so we can flow between the stadiums. So I was like, sometimes the games overlap, so I just wanted to see what games were like, I don't want to go over there, I want to stay here. And then who are the marquee players, not just a bunch of randos. So on the 13th, I saw Mavs, Grizzlies. So it has 3 circles. So strength of schedule. And then this one has 4 circles, the 14th. Very strong schedule. This day only had 2. You see why I was like, we don't have to go that day. We might go to the Tournament of Kings or Cirque du Soleil or go eat or Fremont Street or something. You know. And we have class later. So this day, Mavs, Grizzlies, Cameron Boozer's coming. He's the 3rd or 4th pick. If you've been keeping up, he could have won number 1 too. They're all talented, so you know it's a lot. But I'm not that big on him, to be honest. I think he's a basic player. I don't know if they're selling me on. He's a weak team, so I think he can be an all-star. I don't think he's a superstar. They're trying to sell me superstar. I'm not smelling it, so I want to go put my eyes on it myself. I mean, it's Coach Mall, but now I'm turning to Scout Mall. Colleges, take notes. You should be hiring me. So, anyways, now this Bulls and Jazz. Now, I'll be pissed if they're not there. That's the other thing. This is what people be talking about. People pay all this money to go watch it, and the people don't be there. Now, Darren Peterson, number 2 pick. I think he could have been number 1 pick. We know the things we heard about him, but that guy is the next Kobe. Pure scorer. Kyrie-ish. Not the handles, but just pure scorer. Like nothing stops him from scoring. Nobody. So he's just like Kobe. Well, and Edwards, like he got bounced too. So I'm the most excited to see bro right here, to be honest. And I'm sad I couldn't see him this day, but it's not worth it to pay 60, and I only won 1 game to me. So, but I get to see him there. And then Caleb Wilson, I liked him a lot. I don't know, Carolina. They'll keep selling me on Cooper Flag. He was that. But Caleb Wilson, he's long. He got the same metrics as Cooper Flag. He just actually has better defense. This guy you're going to see, AJ DiPattista, the number 1 pick, the same metrics as Cooper Flag, way better offense, can create his own shot. Cooper Flag, compared to them two, is number 3. But they're going to tell you that Cooper Flag is a number 1. He's the future LeBron, like, cut it out. And then, right here, the 7 p.m., you got Koa Pete. He slept on the last draft pick, but I saw him in Arizona. And then the guy who, on his same team that picked higher than him, is Braden Burries. Fire. He's fire. But Koa Pete has slept on him. I'm telling you, this kid is, he's better than Cameron Boozer. They're about the same to me. So, I don't want to hate on him, but still. So, I mean, so that day, the PMs of that day. And then the other ones are just like cool little games. It's not nothing really to see. To be honest, I'm not going to be able to see I am going to see the Warriors. The Warriors do play. Here's the thing about it, though. So this is day 2. The Warriors play. I get to see Yaxel in I forgot his name. Lajay. Maybe I'm not saying it right, but it sounds like Lajay or something. But I saw his highlights good. So, I'm a Warrior fan. But the Grizzlies, again, they get to go against the Boozer guy. So, hey, I get to see what he looks like. But 3 p.m., Darius Acuff Jr. They say he's the Jalen Brunson type. He's the Allen Iverson type. He's signed by AI. Okay, he's a dog. But then I think the Nets got the kid that he was mad the Nets didn't pick him. So there's another guard, Kingston Fleming, I think. I heard I put him up. So them two going against each other, they should have a little bad blood after that. So that should be good. And I get to see, I didn't really get to watch Acuff Jr. and the Kings. So I'm feeling like all the stuff I'm hearing about him, let me see if it pans out. Like, if he's Jalen Brunson, then look like a Jalen Brunson. Don't go there and look like Aiden Tunson. You see what I'm saying? Look like Jalen Brunson. If he's really the next Allen Iverson, like AI, bro, you got to carry yourself a certain way. So I hear the hype. I'm going to see if I believe it. And then Wizards, the number 1 pick, AJ DiPentista. I told you. You hyping up Cooper Flag. He is what Cooper Flag. He's what the hype of Cooper Flag is, and Cooper Flag is Cooper Flag. So you get to see him against guess who? Caleb Wilson. Both better than Cooper Flag in my opinion. That's day 2. That's a treat. And then the Clippers. I forgot his name was Keaton Wagler. Long shooter. He's 6'9" shooter, handy. He's on the Clippers. Lakers. I ain't got nobody I want to see. But to end cap that, that's not bad. I can get to put my eyes on him too. He was out of Illinois, I think. So I get to put my eyes on him. I hear the chat, a taller, better Klay Thompson thing. Shooter, but also can dribble. And then we'll just watch it at home. Like DiPentista against Keaton Wagler. That should be special. And then my boy DP, gotta watch him, Darren Peterson. And now the Spurs have a good roster. They just came off the finals. They don't have a player I want to see. They just have a good roster. And then they picked another, 6'11" guy. Gosh, you already have Wemby. At some point, we got to tell these teams to just stop. You should have a height. You got Wemby. You can't go get another 6'11" athletic. It's not fair. It's just not fair. It's not fair. Okay? It's not fair. Where do you even find another person like Wemby? Big bro. I'm talking about, I forgot his name, but he plays for the Spurs, so I just don't understand. But yeah, so that's the PM. Unless we're out and about, I want to watch those, but I already got enough here. I'm probably ready to go kick it, but I don't have to watch those. But yeah, so okay, that's it. That's Vegas. And then 16, we kicked it with friends.
How excited are you on a scale of 0 to 10?
I'm so excited because I believe that this draft is the next big draft. And people gonna see what I'm saying. Like they always act surprised. Oh, what you said came true. Bro, I really had an eye for this, bro. I really do this. I really could choose which path I want in college and be a scout. Not trying to toot horns or nothing, but I really love this scout. I've been talking about sports since I was a little. When y'all too young, cause y'all Gen Z and stuff. But we had newspapers back in the day. I used to get the funny section and the sports section, and then give my dad the other. I don't care about no politics. And so I used to give him that and just peep the weather and then sports, comics. And so people they always say I make them laugh, and then I'm always talking about sports. You see, I've been doing this since a kid, so it's really in my DNA for real.